Y'all know we get into our court show reactions over here. And one of the ones that's been going viral has been of Judge Cedric Simpson talking with a person whose license had been suspended and was not supposed to be driving to begin with. And this fool decides he finna call into the courthouse as he's driving. So let us get into this quick clip.
Be present is due. Assistant Public Defender Natalie Tate for Mr. Assistant Public Defender Natalie Tate for Mr. Harris, who should be present is due.
Mr. Harris, are you driving?
Actually, I'm pulling into my doctor's office, actually. So just give me 1 second. I'm parking.
This be the shit for me. I just hate how people call into the courtroom and in my personal be disrespected. Okay? And be disrespectful. Like, why do y'all, I'm pulling into my doctor's office 1 second. No, you don't. It ain't no 1 second over here. Okay? I am your honor. It's not no 1 second. You should have already been in place because you knew you had a damn call to get on. Okay? Make sure you was good. Y'all gonna have to let go of these Zooms, but don't let them go. Because I'm gonna keep watching them over here on my channel. Hello? But let's keep going.
Right now.
Look at the judge.
You stationary?
I'm pulling in
Holla.
right now at this second. Yes, I am.
Yes,
All right.
I
What are
am.
you doing?
Your Honor, we are respectfully requesting an adjournment in this matter.
Adjournment.
Possibly 2 to 4 weeks if the court would allow.
Okay. So maybe I don't understand something. This is a driving while license suspended,
Baby.
That is correct, Your Honor.
and he was just driving, and he didn't have a license.
Look at his face, y'all. Please look at his face. Please.
Is with the charges, Your Honor, yes.
No, I'm looking at
Let me tell y'all, this is where y'all know that these defendants or the defense attorney, whoever they is on the state, whoever represent him is what is given. Girl, she's not for you. She must be a public defender or something because she's not defending you, sir. Because she should have told your mother, it's whatever you do not call in here driving. Maybe she just expected you to have that type of common sense. And once you hopped on, it was nothing she could do about it at that point. What she should have did was requested to have a side-by-side in a breakout room to talk to him to make sure he's on track before they go before this damn judge. But she ain't on your side.
record. He doesn't have a license. He's suspended and he's just driving.
That is correct, Your Honor.
Girl, this maze to him. He has no words. The judge is like, yes, this is some funny here. It's comical. We're here.
Hello?
Hello, bitch, I'm hollering because they went blank on him. Listen, I don't even know if this lady is representing him. I feel like she might be for the state because it looks like she's sitting on the opposite side. So I don't even know if she's representing him or not, but somebody should have talked to him before they came to the front.
Minute, Mr. Harris.
I don't even know why he would do that. So defendant's bond is revoked
Ooh.
in this matter. Defendant is to turn himself into the Washington County Jail by 6 p.m. today. Failure to turn himself in will result in a bench warrant with no bond.
Don't be shook now.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. Mr. Harris, I'll be giving you a call.
Okay.
No, now she want to give somebody a call, but you should have called him before that.
Court calls the case, People versus Maya Isom.
I'm still on behalf of this town.
Girl,
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Pay for Ms.
he just sitting there looking dumb as hell. How embarrassing is that? And listen, the way the judge handled this case, I said I wanted to get into one more, okay? It looks like somebody's having an issue with their probation of some sort. Not sure what it's about, but we're going to get into it together. So let us check this video out.
Personal
Ma'am,
account.
you want to keep interrupting me? Court
Uh-uh.
calls case of the people versus Marquita Simmons. She's on. Thank
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Tate for Ms. Simmons, who should be present via Zoom.
you. Looks like she is. Can you state your name, please?
Marquita Simmons, sir.
Her on behalf of probation. Your Honor, Ms. Simmons is before the court for a violation of probation hearing. She is at her 2-year max of probation term. She owes a balance of $3,775. She's made no payments towards her fines and costs and/or restitution. She's failed to report to probation as directed, failed to complete the theft class, failed to complete her 25 hours of community service.
Oh,
failed to
damn.
complete
She
her
ain't doing
first degree
that.
her fingerprints. She also held the bench warrant out of the 15th District Court. Given all of the violations in this case, probation is asking that she be remanded for 365 days in jail, that she complete the in-jail MRT program, with the court to consider an early release upon completion of that program, waive remaining terms, accepting the financial obligation, and discharge from probation.
Thank you, Your Honor. Did have the opportunity to discuss this with Ms. Simmons on a few occasions. We did discuss both the alleged violations as well as the recommendation. Ms. Simmons does acknowledge and admit that she has violated probation in those alleged ways. However, as to the recommendation, she represented to me that she is a single mother to a 4-year-old nonverbal autistic daughter. And very unfortunately, she did struggle with homelessness starting in December of last year, lasting month. She was able to get into state housing in Flint. We are respectfully requesting the court to consider discharging Ms. Simmons from probation without improvement, but in ordering the restitution, of course, or continuing that order, but we are asking the court to consider not remanding her at this time. Ms. Simmons does acknowledge and take responsibility for the violations, but she is very concerned that if she was remanded, certainly to serve a year in jail, that her 4-year-old daughter would have, frankly, nowhere to go, and she has nowhere else that would care for her, and that we would respectfully request the court to not remand her or order any jail time, but to just simply discharge her from probation without improvement.
But she's done nothing.
Right. Not a thing.
This case started as a felony. I mean, the court is aware that it was reduced down to a misdemeanor.
And you gotta at least try.
And she's made no effort to get any of the things done. I do know that she had some communications with my office indicating that she was never told, which they
Never told what?
that there was many attempts made by my office to get her back into compliance and or reach out to her. The only time that probation started with any consistency was yesterday before court.
No, excuse me, Judge. May I speak, please?
Yes, go ahead.
I never even met Miss Ellen. After the court date and all the appearances and things like that, I tried to contact her to see what the stipulations of my probation was. She never contacted me.
Hold on. You're telling me you tried to contact my probation office and they didn't call you back?
Yes, sir. I emailed.
I do not believe that. I don't believe
sir.
that for a minute.
Yes, sir. I don't have no reason to lie on this lady or myself, sir. I did report where I was supposed to, and I contacted her, and I talked to the secretary lady. A lot of times she was always in court, and she said she would give her the message to call me
Ms.
back.
Polera is only in court with me 2 days a week max. So that I know that's not true.
I don't have to lie to
If
you,
you
sir.
want me to go pull the phone logs, we can tell exactly when
Oh
you made
my,
that
not
call.
him pulling
What
the
dates
phone
did you
log.
call?
It's been a long time. It's been over a year since I've called.
And
That's been
over a
long
year
time.
that
It's
you
been
haven't
over a
done
year.
shit.
Your Honor, I can tell you, I received a total of 3 report forms from her in the 2 years.
Three report forms.
3, a total of 3 in the 2 years. I had phone conversations.
Well, just so the record's clear, that's a monthly reporting. So if my math's correct, 2 years is 24 and only received 3.
Correct.
So we're about 21 short. Go ahead, Ms. Blair. I'm sorry.
I also spoke with her directly on March 20th. The violation of probation hearing was set then when I spoke with her on that date, all I got was a lot of, I'm not gonna do that and I can't do that.
I
And I
believe that.
advised her that
Finances.
this
I don't
court
have the
date,
finances.
I believe that. And my thing is this, the person that's representing you currently, like if you can't reach out to his people, why can't you reach out to the lady standing at the podium that's speaking on your behalf that is going to be able to at least get the information for you? You know what I'm saying? If you can't get in touch with them, you should be able to reach out to her for her to get in touch with them for you. So girl, I don't know. It just seemed like you ain't doing it. And the judge was on it. It's been 2 years and you only gave them 3 months worth of stuff. Ma'am, you finna
I
get
don't
locked
have the
this
up.
court date
finances,
was
and I
set
kept
out to
telling
give her
you,
some time to get things completed, and she's done nothing.
I don't have the finances. If you're taking care of a 4-year-old autistic child, what finances do you have? I don't have the finances to pay for restitution. I don't have, I've been said this in court a long time ago.
You had a felony
Ooh.
that got reduced to a misdemeanor. You took the misdemeanor, got placed on probation for the
To
longest you could.
pay.
Give that time. You want to keep interrupting me? You go right ahead. And then you did nothing. And then you come before this court. You know, you don't even file the monthly form. That doesn't even require you to be there. You did that 3 times out of 24 times. You did you did nothing. And then you get here,
Baby.
and you know the problem. You then try to blame Miss Polera that she didn't call you back.
This is so disrespectful. The judge talking to you and bitch you looking in the sky. Girl, I would've.
First of all,
And she
in the
laughing.
years that I
Ooh,
worked
babe, I would've ate
with
her
Miss
up.
Polera, that doesn't happen. You tried to call out and tried to blame the wrong person.
Right.
Anything else? Defendant is remanded to serve 365 days Washtenaw County Jail. I'm ordering that the defendant report to the Washtenaw County Jail by 6 p.m. today. Failure to report will result in a bench warrant. That bench warrant will issue without bond.
I don't have any way to
Filing,
get to Washtenaw
ma'am, you
County.
want to keep
This
interrupting me?
BITCH says she don't got no way. Everything is I can't, I don't got. Girl, let me tell you, you don't need a way because they going to come pick your ass up. You supposed to report. But if you don't report, it's going to be a bench warrant for that ass. And they're going to be knocking at that motherfucking door because they got the gas. And they're going to be pulling up. Girl, not you did all of this and now you got to serve a year in jail. That is so like, and whatever you did to get a felony that turned into a misdemeanor, ma'am, now you want to use your child as an excuse for stuff when you should have been thinking about your child on the front end to not put yourself in a situation like that. Then you come into the courts to show your disrespect for the court and the judicial system. They're going to be on your ass. And then when you come to the courts and try to lie on this lady, like, listen, you're done, baby.
I'm sorry, sir.
And now you sorry. Don't be sorry.
While in jail, the defendant is to complete the in-jail MRT program. I will consider early release upon completion.
Okay. You better
I will
complete that
waive
bitch
the
in a
remaining
month.
terms, accept the financial obligations, discharge the defendant from probation without improvement. And if you want to believe that I won't issue that warrant, ma'am, try me.
Ooh.
Thank you.
Judge Simpson, how would I supposed to get down there at 6 p.m. with no transportation?
Send the cops for Your Honor.
Court calls the case, People versus Jeremiah Stanley.
Baby, it's the way he dismissed the dog out of her. Girl, I'm going to get into his cases too. Now, y'all know I like the other lady that chewed down the last time we had our case here. Okay, she's located in Atlanta, I believe, or DeKalb or something like that. And then now we're going to have to get into his cases the way he just sat up there and ate both of them up because he ain't playing no games, okay? But that's all I got at this time. I thank you guys so much for joining me. Make sure that you guys are liking up the video, subscribing to the channel, sharing the video, following me on Instagram and Twitter at JamiThatsMe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.
King of my city and cul-de-sac. Coming, I swinging like soldier rag. Leading my people like quarterback. Boy, I study this shit, I'm an almanac. Had to get up and grind. Knowledge is booming, I'm here to apply. Came with the chip and the dip, it just single the mind. We finna do more than survive. I need my check. Spinning the block for the Gouda, we hitting the jeweler to flood out the net. We don't do beef on computers, I'm straight out the sewer, we come when you rest. Niggas be looking perplexed, so keeping my foot on their neck. No map, I trust my gut for the quest, but drama, I'm fully abreast. I was ready for years and they doubted me. All of a sudden they tell me they proud of me. I've been dropping these haters like calories. Cross them out, I came back with some boundaries, stand for my honor. But too raw, no corner, packing the stick with a drummer. When I catch my